I just got this one in the mail here. It's a PlayStation 5. Everything looks good, so I plugged it up here and yeah. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't power on, no beeps, nothing. Let's take this thing apart and test. Oh, check it out. It's really dirty on the inside. Let's clean that up. Alright, I'm down to the motherboard here. Let's take out the power supply. Okay, so believe it or not here, the power supply is actually good. So, we must have a problem on this motherboard here. Let's start from the 12-volt line. Alright, so yeah, we have a one-way short somewhere around this area here. One of these MOSFETs, capacitors, something here is shorted out. Alright, I've located the actual area. So this fuse is blown, and this side is shorted out. So something around the dialogue chip here. Let's try to figure that out. Alright, let's remove this dialogue chip and see if our short is gone. I removed it here, but let's wait for it to cool down before we test. Alright, I'm gonna inject some power over here. Let's see what heats up. I like to start small here, so let's go to like 0.7 or something. With the power supply here and my DC regulator, I did connect the power, and I have a heat source. I did record it on my cam, and the heat source is coming from that capacitor right there. Let's remove. Yeah, so we're testing here. The short is gone. Awesome. So we need to put a capacitor and new fuse and our dialogue chip back on. Let's do that. The dialogue chip is on. The fuse is removed. Now we need a capacitor and a... Alright, we put all of the chips back in. Now it's time to put that battery in there. Alright, I connected all of the essentials just to test it here. So let's connect the power and hopefully nothing blows. Alright, power and HDMI connected. Let's test. Oh, it powers on. And it's staying on. Nice. Let's check the HDMI. Yep, we got it on the screen here. Beautiful. If you've enjoyed that video, I need your help. My company went down a little bit. I need you to share, like and subscribe. I also need a huge favor from my followers. If you can just take my URL from the link is in the bio. If you can just take that and comment it and blast it all over social media, Reddit, Quora, any of those websites, I'd really appreciate it. I'm having troubles with my SEO. Take care.